Hey everyone, it's been a while. It's been at least a few weeks. Had some things happening. We had a big conference a couple of weeks ago and it's just been busy. So today I'm just going to try and do a little bit of an update, and my plan is to get into here and remove this rear firewall, and I might even just remove the back end down here, and we'll see where that takes me today. Probably won't be a lot of work, but I want to get something done this weekend. That'd be great. Awesome. Let's see how we go. Okay, well, we've got the back off now. So it's giving me access into that firewall a bit easier. As you can see, it's here. This will be easy to clean up too when it's off. So yeah. All right, I'm going to start tackling that firewall now. All right, I've got all the screws out, so I'm going to try and remove this firewall now. Let's see how we go. Okay, it's attached to pipes leading from the air intakes. I'm just going to have a quick look. I'm back in a second. All right, I've detached the air intakes from the pipes from the air intakes. So let's try this again. There we go. All right, that's the firewall out. Okay, as you can see, there's more mouse nest crap up here that I'll clean out shortly. But the chassis, oh no, that's not the chassis, that's part of the fiberglass bodywork, so it's giving me access to there. Those air intakes that we built were actually directly running into the 2-litre Volkswagen engine we used to have in this. So yeah. All right, well, I'll clean this up and I'll come back. Okay, that's all been cleaned up. Still little parts, but they'll get there as I take this body off, I believe. I've got to take this fuel tank out anyway, so that's not really an issue. Yeah, you can see that the mice have made this place into a nice little metropolis, but I think I've cleaned it up. The back of the fuel tank actually didn't rust through, it's only on top, but I need to replace this fuel tank anyway. And one of the radiator ideas I have is to put a radiator on either side, see where that air hose comes in. There's one on the other side too, in the wheel well, and see if I can suck air through there to run cooling, so I don't need to run it all to the back. But that's all stuff to figure out later. But I think this is where I'm going to end it today. Thanks everyone for watching, and hopefully I'll catch you in the next week or so. See you all.